Legends of Learning presents the Math Slime 2 Rebuild the Village game. This is a math game that makes learning about basic addition and subtraction equations fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, the Math Slimes return in a second adventure. The enchanted forest is hit by a storm damaging their village. In this adventure, the Math Slimes will need your help to clean up the mess, rebuild the village, and bring nature back to life through 3 magical levels. You can choose one of the 3 village heroes to help you on your adventure. To complete the objective of rebuilding their homes, you will have to manipulate additions and subtractions in order to find the number of missing materials. From a damaged place to a warm and magical home, you will see the evolution of the accomplishment of your work. After all these tests, you will know how to manipulate numbers in an equation as well as the Math Slimes. Use the mouse to click on the map to move the Math Slime, to collect the right number of objects, to complete each task, and to move to the next level. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing!